So, much of the meditative work that a natural wizard, druid, or otherwise is going to do is going to take place in the astral grove. And the astral is basically our own mental upgrade. Remember again that the brain does not distinguish between what it sees in the mind's eye and what it experiences in this reality. In fact, one method of thinking is to stop thinking in terms of physical versus metaphysical. There is one physical, and just because you have blinders on to half of it doesn't mean it's not there. So the astral is like our little mental upgrade between our realm and the ever-present, permeating potentiality that exists. So the astral is like a glimpse of the other world as an individual perceives it. And since the astral is limitless, training on a particular ability, magical or otherwise, can be practiced and worked with there limitlessly. The experiences of the other world can actually be brought into this world and used on a practical basis. Given that the experiences are still experiences held in the mind, but we can still hold on to them as our experiences, we can still benefit from that upgrade. Once the body of light has been attained, then the druid can then project the mind into the astral grove, and the use of imagination and visualization abilities are vital. And remember that visualization is really the art of the proper use of imagination. And ritualization can be used in order to heighten one's perceptions, awareness, and even intuition. The otherworld is the infinite form of the physical world. So the mental journeys of the astral should be accepted as real, just as real as anything you experience here. These experiences can be called, they can be brought back to mind, lessons can be learned, and they can be used and applied in the physical world. The use of visualization and imagination in this way is not merely a belief in fiction and fantasy. It is a participation with the infinite reality around you. Perhaps a reality more real than what you perceive with your blinders on. So, the use of portal representation, too, is another way of crossing that bridge. Visualization of a stone gateway, of a doorway, of a portal, a cave, drowning in water, whatever it takes to bring you to the other world, whatever it takes to bring the mind so out of this, what you are perceiving with just this body alone, and the limitations thereof. Landscapes play out much like a dreamscape, and the only difference being that you are completely and utterly lucid and in control over the astral body. Not to mention full recollection of the experiences, something not always gained during the download process back to the body from a dreamscape as if just from waking. The astral grove can be made in the likeness of your physical grove if you have access to one, or it could be a substitute for those that are confined without participation within the physical nature of physical grove. So it's a good place for training. And the tranquility and enchantment of the Otherworld woodlands can offer a personal and perfect place for your meditative work, self-realizations, and just serenity of getting away from the day-to-day crap. These ideals can eventually become a part of your forest nematon and making it a truly powerful place with regular practice in the same physical locale, charging the physical locale, bringing the forest to life. This is what it means to be a druid.